Okay, so we have a physics question that says state one thermometer that can be used to measure high temperature that vary considerably. Okay, when we talk about temperature, is a degree of hotness or coldness of an object. When they say thermometer, it is a device used to measure temperature. Now, you need to understand that we have different types of thermometers. We have liquid in a glass thermometer, we have the thermocouple, we also have the resistance thermometer, and so on. So the answer here, it is what? Thermocouple thermometer. Now, how exactly does a thermocouple measures temperature? Now, a thermocouple consists of junctions, the cold one and the hot one. And these two junctions consist of two metals. These metals may be copper or iron or any other metals with very high sensitivity. So now how exactly does this device measures the temperature? It is by the use of the reading of the current on the ammeter. How? It depends on the difference between the two junctions there, the cold and the hot. Now you need to understand that this device here depends upon the electromotive force, the driving force, the force which pulls the flow of the electrons. So the answer here, it is a thermometer. Number two, they're saying name a device that uses thermal expansion to control temperature in pressing iron. Now when they say thermal expansion, this is an increase in size of an object due to heat. Now, when we talk about temperature, we know it's a degree of hotness or coldness of an object. But here, we use another apparatus known as a bimetallic strip. So the answer here, it is known as what? Thermostat. Thermostat, that's the answer. Now, how does a thermostat work? You must know that a thermostat is just more like a system where we have a wire and we have a bimetallic strip. So meaning that this bimetallic strip, which consists of two metals, when it is heated to that extent, it will bend away from this wire, and hence the circuit will be disconnected. Once the circuit is disconnected, then there will be no flow of electricity, and hence this will lead to the cooling of the device. So the answer here, it is a thermostat.